If you're shopping for a front-loading washer-dryer machine with a striking design and plenty of features, then this unit is sure to catch your eye. It comes with a white stainless steel body that's accentuated by a black door to give your laundry room a great look. The unique one-button convertible control lets you load easily and conveniently alternate between the washer and dryer, as well as keeping track of usage patterns by displaying the frequency of use cycles. The Deco DC 4400 is also one of the most powerful washing appliances currently available. The 1.6 cubic foot tank is powered by a 1200 RPM motor, allowing you to easily wash large loads of clothing in a snap. Moreover, it's one of the few washer-dryers that lets you choose between venting or condensing, giving you unsurpassed flexibility to clean your clothes wherever and whenever. It also has 14 different programmable washing cycles to give you a wide array of choices to wash, dry, or both, as well as protecting your clothing. The machine also comes with a soil level setting for deep cleaning heavily soiled clothing and a full heat and half heat settings for drying. If you want to discover a time-saving and space-saving device that comes with the Deco DC 4400, click the link in the description box.